Hi there, Michelle here up on the Butterfly Hill again, and I am so excited because today Robin brought me a giant pile of horse manure. And we are gonna spread it out all over on the Butterfly Hill. I've already got the planters around the front of the driveway laid out, and we're gonna take it down to the berms and then go get a bunch of redwood chips from another neighbor and put that on top. And what that's going to do is it's going to create soil where there wasn't any before. It's going to take several times of layering this up over a couple of years, but there is going to be beautiful, fertile land to plant. Come here, I'll show you. Here's a planter that I just laid out, about 3 wheelbarrows of horse manure. You can see we've got a bunch of new plants in there that I wanted to make sure and get fertilized, and then we are going to put a little layer of topsoil down, and then the redwood chips will go on top of that here. Down on the berms, we're going to be doing it a little bit differently because we've got sticks piled up and we need to add mulch and redwood chips into the sticks, and then we'll start building up from there. I'll keep you posted. Thanks so much. If you like this and you'd like to learn more, come join us on the Butterfly Hill. Let's get dirty.